If you're looking to dive into the world of cryptocurrency, you've probably heard of Coinbase and crypto.com. Both platforms are popular choices for US investors, but which one truly stands out as we approach 2026? In this video, we'll break down their features, fees, and security measures to help you make the smartest move for your crypto portfolio. The stakes are high, and with the landscape constantly changing, understanding these exchanges now can save you from costly mistakes down the line. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know which exchange could be your best bet for navigating the future of crypto investing. Let's dive into the details of Coinbase and crypto.com, two heavyweights in the US crypto exchange arena. As of now, Coinbase boasts over 108 million verified users and a staggering $255 billion in assets on its platform. Meanwhile, crypto.com has rapidly grown, serving around 70 million users and offering a diverse range of services from trading to card rewards. Why does this matter? Well, the regulatory environment is tightening. Just last year, the SEC launched a series of investigations into platform operations, which could affect how exchanges like Coinbase and crypto.com operate. On the ETF front, interest is climbing, with firms like BlackRock throwing their hats in the ring for Bitcoin ETFs. These developments could reshape the market and influence exchange operations. In terms of pricing, Coinbase has seen its stock price hover around $64 as of late 2023, while crypto.com's native token, CRO, was valued at about $0.06 recently. A potential market shift could mean that investors in these exchanges need to stay vigilant and prepared for volatility. A quick historical look shows a trend. During major market crashes, platforms that offer robust compliance and security measures tend to gain user trust. For US investors, selecting between Coinbase and crypto.com involves looking beyond just the interface. Security features, fees, and regulatory compliance are key factors. In a nutshell, if you're considering where to place your bets in 2026, understanding these exchanges' strengths and weaknesses is vital. Whether you lean towards the established platform of Coinbase or the all-encompassing services of crypto.com, being informed will help you make the right choice for your crypto journey. Let's dive into a practical example of how a retail investor might navigate Coinbase and crypto.com during a week of trading in 2026. Suppose an investor has $1,000 to invest in Bitcoin, and they are deciding between these two platforms. If our investor chooses Coinbase, they'll typically face a trading fee of about 1.5%. That means, right off the bat, $15 goes to the platform. So, they end up purchasing around $985 worth of Bitcoin, assuming the price is relatively stable. Now, let's say the investor opts for crypto.com instead. With their fee structure, they might only be charged around 0.4% for the same transaction. That brings their fees down to just $4. This means they can invest $996 into Bitcoin, giving them a slightly larger stake. But here's what nobody is saying. Those fees can add up, especially for frequent traders. If our investor makes 3 trades in a week, the total costs on Coinbase would reach about $45, while on crypto.com, it would be around $12. That's a significant difference if you're actively buying and selling. Additionally, both Coinbase and crypto.com offer various tools for tracking investments. However, crypto.com provides additional perks through its reward system. For instance, users might earn cashback on purchases made with their crypto debit card, something Coinbase doesn't offer as robustly. So, for the retail investor, these nuances matter. A $1,000 investment on Coinbase could potentially yield fewer gains compared to the same amount on crypto.com, particularly if fees and rewards are factored in. With more investors recognizing the importance of fees and features, understanding the total cost of trading on these platforms is crucial. It's not just about where you buy, it's also about how much you keep after the transaction. Ultimately, whether you choose Coinbase or crypto.com can significantly impact your overall returns. As the market evolves, making informed decisions will help you maximize your investments, ensuring you're not leaving money on the table. If you're looking to take action this week, here are 4 concrete steps to consider for navigating Coinbase and crypto.com. First, check your current holdings on both platforms. If you notice any high-performing assets, consider reallocating funds to capture those price gains. Even a small shift could lead to better overall performance as prices fluctuate. Next, take a closer look at staking options on crypto.com. If you're willing to lock up your assets for a short period, you could earn additional rewards. For instance, staking at least $400 in certain cryptocurrencies can yield enticing interest rates, potentially boosting your returns significantly. Third, make sure to review your tax obligations. The IRS treats crypto transactions as taxable events, so calculate any gains or losses from your trades this week. Keeping a detailed record will save you headaches come tax season, especially as regulations continue to evolve. Lastly, set a reminder to stay updated on SEC regulations affecting exchanges. This isn't just about compliance, it's about understanding how new rules could impact your trading strategies. Being proactive can provide an edge in a fast-changing landscape. Taking these steps now can position you better for both potential ups and downs in the market. With the right strategies, you can be better prepared for whatever the market throws your way. As we look ahead to the next 90 days, the competition between Coinbase and cryptocom will likely heat up, shaping the way we trade and invest in crypto. With both platforms working hard to enhance their features and user experiences, it's an exciting time for US investors to weigh their options. So, which exchange do you think will come out on top by 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, subscribe to the channel for daily crypto updates and insights into the evolving